What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. I saw a lot of new faces on the Hbar video yesterday. I really appreciate your comments. Please get more comments in. I really love that. We almost hit 50 likes. Let's push for that again. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. And don't forget, over this next week until Monday, I have 50% off my course. More information about it is over on my Twitter. If you want to just private message me there, we can get you started. But it's 30 plus videos, 6 hours of content that you have for life. You get my Discord group chat free until my bull market targets. So any moves, any investments, any trades, it's all going to be there. My market thoughts are there. They're strategies that are completely made by myself, that will talk to me from my mentors as well. You also get mindset and psychology notes in there as well included. More information, just message me, because I don't want to make this a video about that. This is a video about Hbar, and I saw a lot of people in the comments, so thank you for that again. But I saw them in the comments not really sure if I was bullish or bearish. Now, what I would recommend is going and checking out my Bitcoin video if you're new to the channel. I start the day off making the Bitcoin video because it's the most important crypto out there. Bitcoin is going to tell you guys if we're bullish or bearish. But when we're in a bear market, when we're bottoming for Bitcoin or just in crypto in general, Bitcoin's not going to be the first one to have gotten out of that, because altcoins lead, guys. How do they lead? Well, Bitcoin is the biggest crypto, it's the mothership, so it's going to decide bull market or bear market, but it won't be the first out of it. And the reason is, and it won't be the first to be dumping in a bear market as well. The alts could, and the reason is because they're easier to topple. Bitcoin is the mothership. Bitcoin is the hardest to move. Really apologize for that background noise. It's adding a bit of character to the video. But yeah, Bitcoin is the mothership, so it controls everything. It's the hardest to topple because it has the most money in it. It's also the hardest to move, so if you're coming into this market to try and make as much money as possible, Bitcoin's not the one. However, we know that altcoins go up easier, but they also go down more worse, basically, because it's more volatile. There's less money in them, so it takes less money to move them. It takes less money to come out to move them down as well. So go check out my Bitcoin video. To make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on there as well. And yeah, that is going to basically tell you whether I'm bullish or bearish. Now, with Bitcoin, I'm looking at this specific low, this higher low, and that on Bitcoin is 18.6k. When I'm looking at Hbar, I'm trying to gauge that for you guys, and I've found that that level for me personally is 0.057777289, the 1 fib level right down here. So as long as we're above this, this is bullish. Okay, so what we need to see is this continuing to hold, because we've actually had some days where we've lost it and reclaimed it. Right now you can see we actually lost it yesterday of the daily candle close. Pardon me. But yeah, we can see that that's not a good sign. However, I'm not so convinced that this is a valid breakout. So what I would do is personally wait on the sidelines. If you want a breakout that's valid, you want to see momentum in the candles. You want to see big candles, basically, after a lot of failures of breaking it. So now you're seeing a build up over here. If we now eventually get a big red candle, it's going to bring it more validity, right? So here you had a big build up and you broke above it. However, what is negative is you also broke above this, but you didn't have a build up. You see here you had a build up and you broke out. Well, here you didn't, and that's what's resulted in this fake out. If you didn't do this pump over here above the 55, then we could have probably found support on the 20, back on this, something like this over here. So you found resistance, came back, found resistance here, came back for support, and then break the resistance, find support on it, and go. But this is not the case. You pumped all the way through it, and that's what resulted in a fake out. Go check out yesterday's video. We went into so much detail about this specific move over here on Hbar. If you want to look at it, yeah, just head over to my channel now. But yeah, going forward, I spoke about if we were to lose this low, if we do see a nice red candle closing below this, then yeah, we do have some targets down here. I would personally say that we are chasing this low over here, this wick low. I think not only is it the 1618, it could be this head and shoulders patterns target as well. The neckline being the support we have not lost yet. And you can actually see, let me get a conservative target for you guys. No, that is the conservative target. So you can see that we actually have a target lower than the 1618 at the 2 at around 4 cents. However, this 1618 is a strong support that might not allow you to close below. You might wick down there, but we would like to close above the 1618. Because remember, if we're going back to the monthly, this is the wave 1 high. We spoke about it for the last few months on the HBAR videos. It's a key resistance. It's our wave 1 high from this low, wave 1 all the way to the wick, but the bodies are here. I'm more focused on the bodies because you can clearly see we've crossed the body, this wick over here. So it's not found support there. It's going to find support on this. That's why we wicked off it. And when you do see these big wicks, they're trying to fill it in. That's why we're seeing the next month trying to close the gap between here and here. Basically, we're almost there now, but it doesn't necessarily need to close 100%. How do we avoid going down here? So if we zoom back in on the daily time frame, to avoid that nasty wick over here, going down to it and potentially even lower to this technical target, we basically just need to hold above this 1 fib level that we're at currently. So it's make or break right now. Is it going to capitulate? Are we going to make a lower low? Will we hold this and break above this 55 daily EMA? This is really what we need to see. We need to reclaim of this gold area and this orange line, and then we are in the short term bullish on the daily time frame. But unfortunately now, right now, this second, you can see this is a brick wall we got through and got pushed back under. So expected continuation. The only thing is right now this is holding you up. This is your last chance to actually attack these EMAs and get above them. If you fail to do so, this is when we're going to see this capitulation down to here. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget there's a 50% discount on my course. That is £300 all the way down to £150 for this next week until Monday. And this is everything that I've spoken about in today's video. If you didn't understand anything, it is all taught there for you guys. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe and comment. Peace.